Hello again in next video on my channel. And now you are repairing this inflatable ring. It's very fast repairing. I don't repair that like I should be, but this is only fast repair to make more video. Okay. If you like my channel, you can of course subscribe. You can like this video. I very appreciate for that. But we're going very fast to 1000 subscribers. And now I repair this, and after repairing this, I make one more repair, and then I record the mob inflation, deflation, and popping of course. And I can start repair this. So we have this hole over here, as you can see, this little bit big hole. And now I try repair this. I think I must take this like this. Okay. Okay. And we can start repairing. Like I said, you don't should be repair like this, but this is done very good to repairing. But I repair like this, but I wanna fast repair to make another video. And you can set also, do you want a music or not? But I create little bit music to make better video. And you can say you like it or not. Okay, it's almost done. No, it's not almost done. It's more. I think it's almost done, but no. Okay. Okay, it's very good. It will almost finish. I must record many videos, but I need 4000 watch hours. Okay, it's not bad, it's not bad. Oh. Okay. I think it's good, but I'm not 100% sure. Like I say, it should be repair like that. But this is not good way to repair. And I think I must buy the dagger from Soul Leveling to the make popping. I think that's a good idea. I see on Amazon today. What do you think? That's a good idea or that's bad idea? You can leave the comment. Okay. I think it's ready. But we will see. Okay, that's end for this video. For now, but I don't see more holes over here. Okay, if you like my video, you can leave subscribe of course, but we're going very fast to 1000 subscribers. You can like this video, you can comment this video, and see you again in next video. Bye, and thank you for watching again. In next video we have one more repair today, and after one more repair, then I start making more video. More inflation, after more inflation, deflation, after deflation, of course, popping. Have 3 popping. I try records today, but I cannot promise you this. Okay, thank you for watching and see you again in next video. Bye bye.